Looking for an ethical and customer-focused bank in New Zealand? This video reviews the Cooperative Bank, a New Zealand-owned and operated institution. We'll explore its key features and help you decide if it's the right fit. A unique aspect of the Cooperative Bank is its customer ownership model, often translating to better rates and personalized service. They offer a full suite of financial services, from everyday banking like checking and savings accounts, to loans, credit cards, and insurance. If social responsibility matters to you, the Cooperative Bank's commitment to sustainability and community initiatives might be a perfect match. Managing your money is easy with their intuitive online banking platform and mobile app. Plus, their friendly and knowledgeable customer service team is always ready to help. Whether you're opening your first account or seeking a home loan, the Cooperative Bank caters to various financial needs. It's a reliable and ethical alternative to traditional banks, combining strong customer service, ethical values, and diverse financial products. For a more personalized banking experience in New Zealand, the Cooperative Bank is an excellent option. Explore their products further, links are in the description below.